Hello, my fellow creators, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yvette, and I'm going to be playing with a March 2025 Crafty Crew Kit from Crafty Stamp Co. Now, I've gone ahead and selected the papers I'm going to use from the paper pad. So these are the 4 papers I have selected for the cards I'll be making today. So this is kind of like a little bubble print all over this pink paper. This one has a sentiment that says live, love, craft. Love that. I like this nice kind of a sage green. And then this print with all these buttons all over it. So I'm using these. Now I'm also going to be using the Crafty Mice stamp set. They also have this stamp set, which is the Crafty Friends stamp set. Now, I have gone ahead and cut out and colored all my little crafty mice images, and I've cut some matte layers here. So I'm going to cut my pattern paper, and then we'll put our cards together. Now, while I do that, I want to tell you a little bit about the Crafty Crew Kit available from Crafty Stamp Co. Now, the order period for the March 2025 kit is from January 15th to February 15th of 2025. February 15th is the absolute last day to order this kit. After the 15th, the kit will no longer be available. Now, kits will be mailed to customers starting on March 1st. Now, if you subscribe to their kits, you will get a 35% discount. If you're just buying it as a one-off and you're not a subscriber, you'll still get a discount, but it's only 15%. The theme for March's kit is Crafty Time. Now, the kit does include 2 4x6 stamp sets, the Crafty Friends stamp set and the Crafty Mice stamp set. You'll also get 2 matching crafty cuts. Now, what those are SVG files for ease of cutting the stamp sets out. You will also receive a 6x6 stencil in the kit, and it will be the bubble wheel stencil. And then, of course, there is a beautiful 6x6 pattern paper pad, and it is the Crafty Time paper pad. All these goodies will be shipped to you in a nice mesh storage zipper bag. And then there'll also be some sort of accessory included in there. Now, when you subscribe, you'll also get access to some exclusive tutorials. Now, I will be sure to put a link in the description box so that you can go ahead and place your order for the March 2025 Crafty Crew Kit. So let's finish making our cards. So here are my completed cards using stamps and pattern papers from Crafty Stamp Co.'s March 2025 Crafty Crew Kit. Now don't forget, the deadline to order the March kit is February 15th of 2025. So remember to check out the link in the description box below. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribed to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.